Alrighty then. So what we have here today is a mini Christmas for the blue car. Got lots of goodies here. I don't know what's in the boxes. Before we get started on the next install, I need to know what I have and where it is. But the plan is to do the oil pan fix first here. But again, I don't know what box it is because I've been ordering for the last couple of months. And yeah, we're just gonna crack open a few of these boxes and kind of see what I ordered, because again, I don't know what is what and what I'm swapping out, because my parts list was really massive for now. All right, so first box. This is from Mach V Motorsports. It looks like a bunch of, what are these things called? Peanuts?
Oh yeah,
What?
foam peanuts.
Oh man, no wonder. It's kind of heavy. I got, oh, I don't want these all over the floor. 2 gallons of coolant here, looks like. I got what looks like a bunch of OEM parts. This was Abram's request here. Yeah, a bunch of OEM bolts. This one is a replacement filter, because I think there's a video somewhere if you want to go back to see how the filter looks like. The one we had last. Fuel pump.
Oh, nice.
And I can't tell if there's any more in here, to be honest with you. I don't know. I think that's it for this one. Okay. Next one. This one also feels kind of heavy, which I have a feeling also has some fluids in there. Let's see. Alrighty, here we go. This one has, oh, exactly what we needed. IAG replacement EJ oil pan kit and hardware.
Nice.
Yeah, this is the one we needed, so we're gonna put it somewhere in our workbench. Is right there. Alright, now we got some paper, big tub of oil, some more oil, oil filter. That's all for this one. Alright, on to the next. Let's see what we got on this one. Again, I don't know what's in what, so oh, I guess I got another oil filter. I think this is the better one, right? The Wix. I don't know. Who cares? There's an OEM one. There's a Wix one right there. Some more bubble wrap. This looks like this is a mount for the Cobb access port, so I can mount it like yours there on the.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, on the little vent. Okay. Then I got a 4-bar map sensor.
Nice.
Then I got a speed density wire, plug and play, an easy one. And then I got a big old hose to reroute some lines, because the lines that are routed currently right now are
Oh, the AOS.
AOS for the AOS separator. Yes. So this next one, let's see what this side of this one. Paper, some new Philonic spacers.
Oh yeah.
Cabin air filter. I don't remember the last time it was swapped. So yeah, it's probably never been swapped before. Alright, we got this big box right here. Okay, let me figure out how I'm gonna sort all this stuff. Oh man, almost everything.
Just like that.
Just like that, yep. Felt like it was a sign. This one is a clutch. I'm not gonna open that one. This is a super damper pulley kit. I'm not gonna open that one. There's another big box right here. Feels kind of light.
What's that?
This one? This one? I have no idea. Okay. Damn. Alright, so this one has that pod holder.
Oh, nice.
What is that, pillar?
Yeah.
Pod holder there. This one is a set of spark plugs. We're gonna put this one on pretty
crazy.
good right now. That's it for that one. And then this is a brand new turbo inlet. We got a new one because we have a bigger turbo. The old one doesn't fit, so I got one that actually fits. So I'm gonna put that one there.
Nice.
This one here. Again, I don't know what's in these boxes, so you're finding out as I'm finding out. All right, here we go. This is more paper. Then we have a Turbo X
Oh, recirculation.
recirculating bypass valve. I think if that's correct.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we got here some brand new hella horns that we're gonna put on the blue Subi. And looks like it's it for that one. Okay, we're down to the second to last box, or the last box here
For now.
for now.
That was the Grimsby?
No, Grimsby's over there. I have
Oh.
a Grimsby up pipe over there. Grimsby turbo over there. This is the actual, probably recirculating
Oh,
bypass valve.
okay.
This was probably like the kit for it. And then we have a brand new release bearing.
Oh, okay, nice.
So clutch here, super damper there. Yeah, so lots to come, as you can tell. It shouldn't take us 5 to 6 years like it has in the past. So we're working on this weekly. So if you've somehow made it this far, didn't get annoyed by the birds, didn't get annoyed by the flies flying around my head, stay tuned for more. So thanks for watching.